In this video, I'm going to show you how to export your trade data from TradingView into a CSV file. First, open TradingView and log into your account. Next, go to the chart where you've placed your trades or open your account's trading panel. Then go to your layout at the top right of the screen and click on it. From the drop-down, you can see the Export the Chart Data option represented by a small export icon. Click on it. This will bring up a small window. When you export the data, all the information from the selected chart, including the symbol and indicators, will be saved to a CSV file. And as you can see, you can choose the chart you want to export and the time format as well. After choosing your preferred chart and format, you can click on Export. Your trade data will now be saved as a CSV file on your computer, ready for analysis in Excel or other tools. And that's it! You've successfully exported your TradingView trade data into a CSV file. Thanks for watching!